Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on gym memberships with Gold's Gym, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To save on gym memberships with Gold's Gym, start by researching the current promotions. Visit the official Gold's Gym website to find information on membership deals. Look for any seasonal discounts or special offers available. Consider signing up for a trial membership to explore the gym facilities. Ask about student discounts if you're a student, as many gyms offer reduced rates. Visit your local Gold's Gym to speak directly with a membership advisor. Inquire about any referral programs they might have. Check if your employer offers corporate discounts for gym memberships. Take advantage of any family or group membership deals to lower costs. Stay informed about any community events that may offer discounted access. Review the terms of the membership carefully before signing up. Monitor the membership renewal rates to avoid unexpected increases. If the gym doesn't meet your needs, inquire about a no-obligation cancellation period. Always compare Gold's Gym offerings with other local gyms to ensure you're getting the best deal. Building a relationship with gym staff can sometimes lead to hidden discounts. Take note of any loyalty programs that reward frequent users with reduced rates. Using these strategies can significantly reduce your gym membership costs. Enjoy your fitness journey while keeping your budget in check. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.